battery. Let me put my iPad now. So here's the airplane, but I won't make this time. Here's the airplane. Airplane comes out and loses paddle. The plane got to the door. Quitty. The plane wants our attitude and crashes here. So, finally it dies. Let's do the next one. The plane sliding. The engine straight down. The plane turns to a wet, but it turns to a white, but it tries to pull it up. The plane just turns and its flight is so hard. It broke. This is what happened. This is what it looked like. The back's kind of really hard here, so I'm going to put it back down a little bit. The plane crashes kind of to a wet. The plane dots. The dots are with the side. The top of the face. Pull the airplane to the wet. But it's the plane tries to pull that up, but it just slips like everything. The plane can't, but it sounds tired. Plane goes back up, but the plane starts to go out. It requires a rotate around, but with no impulse around. Now, the plane started to land in so near island, because there's been a bunch of whales nearby. Sometimes in the landing was so what? It crashed here because it was so what? So it kind of repeat your by, not all Valley. City Pete your by. It's been 100 feet you on board. We City Pete your by. So this is the open class. Plane class starts to lose the control. Closer the plane goes to the hill. But even the hill nearby, kind of roll until the plane glided. The plane hits it so hard. The back so awkward causes it fell in a whale. Guys, yes, the people on the back just bye. And until we wet you change for me to make up. So here's the airplane class. Airplane class what blow it up. So the place in the middle, but the close stopped water. It's close starting to get sunlight. It started top cats on style. The plane starts to go down slowly. The plane is just on so flying. The plane is so more until it hits the stone so really hot. It makes a big crack. It makes a really great ear. It makes a big great ear. Wake me up. Here's the plane crash. The plane crash to a sorry. Hello, everyone. It get too late, but not sorry out. Ow! But it been hard to go back up. The plane got to go out, and the plane just went some part. Plane comes down to the end, and it almost slowed down all the way there. But St. dang it. Oh yeah, it will turn into something. Let's just right down. Down. Airplane go. The plane is so kind into a stop. But clothes got slammed up, and it doesn't touch the big style. The big style had us tap this quick flying to do a cold plane. A plane that's floating, and it just slashed down. And a plane keeps going until it turns to a dump. Here's the other plane. But torn and glass. The plane has a little bump. It goes back up. A plane goes down. A plane comes to the side. Until a plane comes back up. But a plane just crashes upside down. Now here's the other one. This one got hit by lightning. Hot lightning we've been waiting. So we've been waiting, and it got hit by lightning. To do our engine will cost 2 trials. The plane dial was added to Soviet so our engine. But our engine was not vital, and it keeps going down. Now it grates the ground. Wow. It was a little clip and it got, it powers through so like that. Everybody buy it, oh thank goodness. It's an open path. So when I'm placing an egg in a cold wind, it starts to turn around. It starts to go to a northwest. West again go to a southwest. West will go with him. But something went wrong. It was seal on the airplane because to slow down a whole lot. The plane crashing in a sorry battles. The plane crashed through it. So that when it comes to the top. Wow. It is crashing. It has like some. And this is a plane crash. It's been going to the northwest. It's been going down a mountain. Now it's been sliding across the mountain. A plane turned to the where I put this. A plane slashed down. Our paddle, but it been a big day. It slipped upside down until all paddle I see you been washed. So the captain decided to make emergency landing in the workshop. The plane slid down. Now, what's this ink? It better look great. Oh, this is another plane crash film. Yeah. Here's the plane crash. It been on till the plane been going back up the mountain. One engine fell what it just went down with. The plane got rolling until the plane just slides here. So here's the other one living in a pile. The sun white. It's been hard to see a plane washed past. rescue taking one. I rescued took 2 threatening animals. So we just had a last one too. We just playing a bit off the coast. It was kind of bad when the last one strike. It's been the other 2 animals. The plane doesn't do with us. It goes off the coast and turns around. But slowly. The plane decides to go back, but the plane can't, so the plane goes back this way until the plane lost paddle decided to turn this way, but it lost own paddle and it just slid in so it's still been the hard stuff. So it's been hard to see. It smells like a pie. Pretty much not real. I have the other plane class, but this one went down and it's lost her paddle. So this one I made it up. So this one states a whole lot. The plane decides to go down a little bit. It decides to went to a jelly and put us on the way. Huh?
Your bread and french fries.
Okay, the plane decides to go down southwest and so beside my emergency line here, so that goes down here, so it just flies here, so until it comes to the dock. The plane tries to play a part on the back, but St. everybody been said, and it took 1 minute. It took to cut your aisles a minute. So here's the Southwest plane. It went off the coast. So it's starting to go back. It went back up, but it went rolling. It turned around to a nearby area. Decided to make emergency landing, but emergency landing was totally wrong. So it went quite too, but it's one just hits the ground. Oh, it played apart. But thank you, rescue tank. But other people didn't buy a car. It would have been a week or so inside. It should have been hungry. So here's the plane went off the coast and it's tried to go up the mountain like I was in. So the plane been far away from the mountains. They've been in the mountains, so it can kind of go down mountains, but starting to go swan. The plane got to turn to the where like it's flying down a mountain, and it crashed in the skyway. So it was not at a mountain. It's like that to do this one, and it touched side out of it, but she didn't. So we just had a race back, not very much, but it's because it's been hard. And it's been so and what's in the next one? Is this one class because a plane been going up the mountain. A plane goes up bad. A plane then goes out. It then goes lower. Attack the stars to make to pull that up. Horse, and your bottle hits now safely. A play like last time, another play. It makes a big hole. And I will tell the plane stop. It's going to Kyle itself. So let's do the started play, but it took 10 hours to realize it took quite a minute to get 10. The overplay class. This plane class went off the coast. The style is just a little bit longer place, but it's not so soft. It's such a great place. And it's watching a mountain. Then all the people just didn't make it. The people just bad made it. This not a middle peel still. Some middle peel made it. It's going to sell off. But I didn't want to sell off exactly. What is sell off? Wait. It was down a mountain, but that took 2 threatening idols. So the plane been over here. It's climbing a bit down a mountains. The plane climbs over here. Even 2 hours strike, but it's so strike in the way. So this will strike. The plane goes out, and inside of it, most of the mountains. From the outside, where the other side goes to the cars have to go again, and you make sure the mountains will not very deep. This will go to the North South Mountains, a little bit higher, but the plane like a bit of dough. So the plane goes back around until it realizes it starts to not make it. The plane crashes. And everybody. So this plane is going up the mountains to a star destination. The plane wheels a little bit. It been one strike started the Nazis, right? It was like this. Just do it over see until they saw what the one and white and a cry. So this hotness. The back goes and the plane just stopped. But it just stayed special cut through the years. Hey, yes, whale. That's just a picture. Let's move on to the next one. Next one. So this one been off the coast until Sutton got its ancient over as and tall. So it even goes down mountains a plane. It happens to Oasis to a old paddle was loose. Some Oasis paddle was loose, but it has to cross to the dock, and we dropped somehow. How a plane safety made it, but a paddle took off again. What the hell made more plane? It been tossed to sweat your whip on, and he is going. Until it realized what the engine was down, cause so hit it, and so by part of it had to abort me for this would make it most the waterway or this way, but not a so the 3 hours of help why. It's a plane. This plane crashed the car. It may swamp and not a tip very well. So we had a landing. But it went. Let me tell you what happened. A swamp paid off. But say everybody was safe from that happening. Next time I'm there on the plane, I will make sure I get on a very good plane. But what will you do? There's a plane where it lost coal. Oh, I have to shoot this over there. The plane where it lost the coal, and it just crashed. So the plane so hit. It dragged and it washes the coal. It looks like a pattern got water because it was so cold. It was starting to almost be landing and it just plates apart. That's what happened. It's not everybody will buy. Everybody about to buy, and some people are trying to get buy, but it just stopped me half because that people were buying a meal. Here's the plane crash, but with all the coat and it's crash. But this plane washes a crow, and it just starts to wheel a whole lot. The plane is side of it. The plane goes back up. Until the plane goes to, and it realized the plane was not doing so well. It starts to turn back around. But a plane goes down, and it hasn't made a mercy run on the stove. And St. Louis attacked this way, softly. It don't know what happened, but it just got it with mom. On. It's so like a plane watching coal, but this is what actually happened. The plane has been old, and the plane couldn't handle it anymore because it didn't crash. It's over him. The plane comes back, and the plane starts to go down. It hit something because it didn't crash. And let me do actually, listen, play this plane catch on following mail. I think that's on site. So a plane that it hits a hot sea because it attacks on style. It happened this. Here's the old play. And then one with So I go to a place water will pull up. So it just went upside down, and then a soil, kind of attacks on soil until it reached the attackers area. The cameras just so it will make it down high, so it made it go fly. The plane went really fast, but it was not close to it says we made it. A soil got put out because it was so we made it alive. This plane went up and down and crashed. This plane realized something broke. So the plane crossed the altitude again, but the plane crashes because it was because it was a cellular altitude and it flows up. No one bye. The last bios who say it was made it just didn't make it. That side was so bad. It cost the whole. It caused the whole area, the bone, but the side was put out. But it was made up. And here's the other one I made. This one went up and down. This plane had something stuck in the engine, so I switched it off. The plane got to stay, and it kind of didn't know what it is, but it's just the plane that goes and blows up. It's been wondering what happened, so it going in the engine, it been a solid thing, it touched the engine part, it caused it that broken. I had to play what one went down, it was and it playing caused the pull up and yes, one side through. So the plane went up and down. It's a basic blue to the other one, but caused a big soil. But this one caused a pretty big soil. It caused one island of soil. Sorry. Hello. So this is the plane. The plane goes up and down, and it go to the sideways. It west, and so everybody made it. It didn't know why, but it's been a bit as itself.